Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Sheila and welcome back to another grocery haul. Whoa, two in a row. I am going to jump into it because I need to get this away and start cooking dinner because it is 5 o'clock and it is time to start prepping for the evening. So let's hop to it. I have a family size Caesar salad kit, two 1 pound packages of lean ground beef, and then I have a 2.25 pound pack of ground beef. The big one is for tacos. The little ones is for chili. The other little one is for ground beef stroganoff. I have these oven grilled and ready chicken breast fillets. They are frozen. I am going to pop them in the oven with some bacon on another pan, and we are going to have, I'll show you on the menu plan. These are for dinner tonight. Love these. Got the recipe from Moss Family TV. Fabulous. Hot dogs, beef, that's what my husband prefers, and just the regular Oscar Mayer ones. Two onions, some Jimmy Dean hot sausage, 3 tomatoes, green bell pepper, some jalapenos, a pound of bacon, some pepper jack cheese, not pepperback, a pound pack of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 2 pounds, which is 8 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 gallons of milk, 3 gallons of tea, and a quart of buttermilk. That is for some country fried chicken. 2 liters of Coke for the twins, 2 liters of Diet Sunkist for myself, and a Coca-Cola Zero, that's also for me. I drink a lot of water, except for in the evening time, and then I switch over, which most people would do it the other way, but whatever. I have a thing of the Snuggle scent boosters. I like to use those in my sheets. It just gives it a little extra oomph. I've got dog food, paper towels, a few things of wet cat food. We are good on the dry. Some lettuce, which actually this one looks really good. I don't know about you guys, but iceberg lettuce has been looking crappy lately. Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Fruit Loops. I have to get the family size. I got teenage boys, you know, boys and cereal. Lots of beans and Rotel and green chilies. That's for chili. Yes, we like beans in our chili. Another can of Rotel, cream of chicken, this green tea, this is the honey lemon ginseng. This is what I make for my husband every morning. Some more garlic salt. I really like this Lowry's, and I like this one that has parsley in it. A can of Spam. He really has been enjoying that again in his breakfast. Some stewed tomatoes, fire roasted diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano, crushed tomatoes, and a hot Rotel. Some onion soup mix. You know, it's a secret seasoning and lots of beef things. I use that actually in my ground beef stroganoff. Crisco oil, a thing of regular premium saltines, and then the minis. I'm going to make 2 batches of crackers. Those are for my husband to take to work and for us to snack on the weekend. Some Cheddar Bay biscuits, mix from Red Lobster, some Wheat Chex, and some more M&Ms. I'm going to make another batch of trash because that was devoured. Some pancake syrup and pancake mix, flour tortillas, soft pretzels. Those soft pretzels are amazing in your air fryer. If you put your air fryer at about 360, I think is what it was, 360, and then you wet the top of them and put salt, and then you fry them in there for 3 minutes. They come out perfect. Some bagel bites. I have not bought those for the kids in forever. Some pepperoni, some 3 packs of taco seasoning, 2 packs of chili seasoning. One is the original, the other is hot. 2 things of ranch seasoning. I have some on hand, but I always keep this. Some more crushed red pepper. We go through quite a bit of that. A can of cream and mushroom soup. Yep. I'm like, I think I have 2 of those. And I do. Some yeast, because I make my own pizza dough and we're going to have strombolis. some large elbow macaroni, some medium shell pasta, and some angel hair pasta, some pizza sauce, Fritos, kettle cooked barbecue, kettle cooked original, and just regular pretzels. Those again are for the trash. All right. I spent today $194, and let me show you the meal plan. And the meal plan, it's not as fancy as last week, but today is Thursday. I know you guys are seeing this on Friday. I am going to make barbecue smokehouse chicken and bacon sandwiches and chips. Again, if you want to check out that recipe, I will link it down below. It is from Moss Family TV, and it was delicious the last time we tried it, so we're going to try it again. Friday, I have surprise, and we're probably going to pick up Subway on the way home. I am not cooking. I did really good last week, and we followed our menu plan, and I cooked every night, so that will be nice to have that treat off. Saturday, I'm going to do pizza strombolis and then macaroni and tomatoes. My husband prefers the macaroni and tomatoes. The boys and I like the pizza stromboli. One of the boys likes the macaroni and tomatoes too, so there you go. Sunday is chicken tetrazzini, Caesar salad, red lobster biscuits. Monday, I'm going to do chili, which will also have hot dogs and Frito pie. As you saw, I did not have hot dog buns. I have to go back to the store. Tuesday, we're going to do tacos. Wednesday is country fried chicken breast, macaroni and cheese, a veggie of some sort, biscuits, and gravy. And Thursday is ground beef stroganoff, green beans, and rolls. These 2 days I may switch, but I doubt it because we'll have 2 ground beef things in a row, so I like to kind of break it up, as you guys know. And that is it for my meal plan and my grocery haul. I would love to know something that you are making this week. What does your meal plan look like? Leave it down in the comments below. Plus, I would like to really trim my grocery budget, and I know if I would stop buying the crap, it will go down. But again, I have teenage boys, and they eat crap. And they are very healthy. They're not overweight by any means. They're both athletes, running, working out all the time. So I don't limit what they eat. I think that puts negative things on kids for the future. And I just am not going to do that to my kiddos. Well, that's it, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. If you like books and you like to read, make sure you come back tomorrow. I am going to share a book review of a book that I finished reading and my thoughts on it. And that is that. That will be tomorrow. And then, of course, Sunday will be a comfort food recipe video for you guys. So I will see you then. Until next time, toodles. Bye.